Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the daily Scrum meeting. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in Scrum and Agile and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, daily Scrum meeting is basically a ceremony which is a time box activity in the Scrum framework. Basically, its primary purpose is to provide a platform for the Scrum team members to synchronize their activities and make sure everyone is aligned towards achieving the sprint goal. Basically, in simple words, friend, in this meeting, the core team, like the development team and the Scrum Master and the product owner as well, they basically do a meeting on daily basis in which they discuss how things are going, what they are going today, and what they have done yesterday. So basically, the main purpose of daily Scrum meeting is to align everyone each other, and everyone should be on the same page and they have the clear understanding of the work which is going on. The key aspects of the daily Scrum meetings are as follows. First one is the frequency. The daily Scrum meetings generally held every day and on the same time and on the same place. Generally, we can say on like for example 10 o'clock in the morning, so and on the same place, so everyone knows that the meeting will held on the same time in the same place. Next is the time box. Daily Scrum meeting is generally maximum of 15 minutes. It should not be of more than 15 minutes. Like, it should not be a case that people are just discussing the things and not utilizing the time properly. Next is the participants. The daily Scrum meetings is basically participated first by development team. Like, the development teams means like the programmers, designers, testers, deployment team, and basically they are the main core team member for the daily Scrum meeting. Next is the Scrum Master. First, Scrum Master is facilitating the meeting and ensuring that the time limit should be followed, and if there are any impediments, issues and roadblockers in the things are identifying, so they can notice, they can write it down and can be addressed properly. Next is the product owner. Product owner is basically a person who is basically a bridge between the customer and the development team, and generally product owner is basically silent in this meeting. However, if there is a need, he can speak in the meeting as well. The daily Scrum meeting format has basically three main questions generally asked from the development team. First one, what did you do yesterday? So that means it provides the visibility of the work which has been done. Then, what will you do today? So that means what is your plan which you are going today for current day. Next, if there is any impediments or roadblockers, so you can highlight those issues, challenges and roadblocker in the meeting as well. Here, remember one thing, friend, that the daily Scrum meeting is not a problem solving session. So because we know that it is a 15 minutes meeting, so it should not be a case that the person or team member started the defining the whole problem in the meeting. He can just mention the problem or roadblocker issue in the meeting, and that at the next meeting, or you can say there should be a separate meeting or separate discussion should be held after the Scrum meeting, daily Scrum meeting, to handle or address that particular issue. Then the stand-up format. Normally it's not mandatory, but generally or normally this meeting held standing, like the people are standing, but it is not a mandatory case that it should be a standing meeting, but general format is that a stand-up. That is why it is called a stand-up meeting as well. Standing purpose is that as well, that it will helps keep the meeting short and focused, so everyone came here, discuss the issues, problems, and then they go back to work on their routine task. Here the daily scrum meeting should be transparent. Transparent means whatever the issues are there, progress is there, challenges are there, it should be openly discussed, identified and addressed properly. And another objective is that the issues should be addressed at a very early stage. So transparency is very important. Like for example, if you are not on track, you should have to mention it that you are not progressing, you are not going as per the required pace or required timeline. And then collaboration. Collaboration means that the teams should understand the task and dependencies on other team member. For example, if I complete the task, then you can start your task, so you have a dependency on my task, for example. So that means the collaboration, coordination and the working environment is very important, and the team should understand that the collaboration is very important so that they can work it properly. So the transparency and collaboration both are very important in the daily scrum meeting. The benefits of the daily scrum meeting: first one is the daily insight. Daily insight means that on a daily basis everyone is getting the knowledge, information about the progress of the sprint. A sprint is a 3 to 4 week time period which we have to complete the sprint backlog, and it also give you insight that what is the plan which needs to be followed and how much work is completed, how much work is remaining. So you are getting the information on a daily basis. Then you can identify the issues at a very early stage, because you are attending the meeting on the daily basis. So if there is any issue, you can identify it at a very early stage, and the scrum master help to remove them quickly as well. Team synchronization is also better in the daily scrum meeting because it ensures that everyone is aligned with the sprint goal and understand their roles and tasks. Improve communication as well, because it provides a structured forum for team members to communicate and share updates as well. So friend, here remember that daily scrum meeting is a very important ceremony in the scrum framework, and it focuses on the transparency, it focus on the collaboration, coordination within the development team. Okay, and it ensures that everyone is aware of the progress of the sprint. Okay, how much we are progressing, if there is any issue, if there is any roadblocks, if there is any risk. So it can be identified at a very early stage, because we are attending the meeting on daily scrum meeting, so we can take the action at a very early stage, and we can we can address it properly. So friend, the daily scrum meeting is very important for the successful sprint execution, and if the sprint is executed successfully, so obviously you can progress towards the completion of a project as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.